Hello world. Today you all have joined before me. Drisha, how are you?
Good.
Very good. Adya, Drisha, and Nitya turn on the video. Good to see Drisha back. And be happy. Come to the classes, okay, Drisha? We are not shouting. We are not, we are enjoying only in the class, right? Okay.
Actually, I go to horse riding classes in the morning, so it's so while returning, I'm coming home late. That's so
At
not
what
good.
time you're coming back, Drisha?
Every day I come back at different times.
Okay. So I think hardly it is a matter of some more days, okay? Anyhow, we will be shifting the timing in the evening now, okay? Maybe from the 1st June onwards, most probably. The timings will be in the evening somewhere 4. Okay, then I
Yes,
think it will not be the problem.
yes, push.
Okay, Drisha. Adya, how are you? Nitya, how are you?
Fine, ma'am.
Good. Okay. So let's wait for the Dyuti, Lakshya, and these two have not joined. Disha, when your schools are reopening? Hmm?
Can you repeat?
When your school are reopening?
June 25th.
25th June.
Yeah.
So much of time is there. Nitya, for you?
Ma'am, June 12th.
Okay, Adya? Sorry? 13th of June. Okay, a long vacation then it means for you all. Drisha has lot of vacations. Good morning, Lakshya.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Okay, so I think now we can start. So in the last class, Drisha, we have discussed about the body covering in the animals. So animals, like how do we have the skin outside? the different animals will also have the different kind of the covering through which they will be getting the protection, they will be getting saved and all, right? So I'll just share one kind of the presentation over the screen so that I can show you how they look like exactly. Is the screen visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So body coverings. Basically, body coverings, they are the animals that have the variety of body covering. So they will have the different types of it. And it will be helping them to survive and adapt to the environment. So wherever they are, whether they are in the water, whether they are on the land, whether they are in the air, any other places, wherever they are, with the help of the body covering, they will be able to survive. And because of that, they will be able to adapt themselves. Now, these body covering, they will be helping them to survive. How? They will be getting the protection. So if any enemy is there, what do they do? Like polar bears, they will have the camouflage they'll be doing. They will have the white fur, so they will not be able to get identify easily. So like this, many different animals, they will be getting the protection. Insulation, it provides them the warmth. So if they are in the polar region, they will be getting the warmth from the surrounding through the fur. Camouflage, they can change their color, because of that they can survive easily from the predators. And also there will be other kind of the adaptation as well that will be helping them to survive. Then the next one are the first kind of the body covering is the fur or hair. Fur or hair is the first type of it. Like this, you can see, this is the animal called as the koila. Okay. Now here, the entire body of this animal is being covered by the hair. Some animals will have the fur, some animals will have the hair. Like we humans have the fur or we have the hairs?
Ma'am, hair. Hair.
Hairs, correct? So we have the hairs, because of which we are also getting some kind of the survival. So many mammals such as the dogs, cats and the bears will have the fur or hair covering their bodies. And because of this, it helps them to keep the body warm, and also they will be protecting their skin. So because of the fur in the different kind of the animal, they will be getting the warmth, and because of that they can survive easily in that particular kind of the climate. Now, the next one are the scales. You can see all the round structures which are present on the entire body of the crocodile. They are called as the scales. Now, actually, two different kind of the scales are there. Any idea, children? What are the two different kinds of the scale? Drisha, Adya, Lakshya?
No. Ma'am.
No idea.
Well, ma'am. Hard scale and thin scales.
Tell me.
Ma'am, they have the thin
Sorry,
scale.
come again.
Ma'am, they have the thin scale.
No, no, no. What are the two types of scales? Any idea about that?
Ma'am, is it like the round structures and then the scales which fish have? Is that the difference between two? Is like are those two types? Ma'am, the
Okay.
scales which help the animal to be on land and the scales which help the animal to breathe in water.
Correct, correct. Very good. Very good, Lakshya. Okay, no problem. I'll tell you. I'll tell to others also. I'll just share my screen so that and understand this thing, children. It is very easy. And once you understand this, then you'll be getting the idea of what are the two different kinds of the scales. Uh, Here today is today is 25th of. Okay. Now, as I told you, the scales will be there. Okay. Scales. So, scales basically, what are the scales? If I say the scales, what are those? What are scales? So, scales are basically the hard covering. Okay. They are basically the hard overlapping structures. They are hard and overlapping structure. Like in the fishes also you might have seen, one above the other they will be present. That do not let the water inside. So because of that, the water will not enter in the body of animals. And because of that, they will be getting the protection. Now, as I was mentioning you, two types are there. Two types of the scales are present. Let me tell you. Present underneath. So two types of scales are there. The first type of the scales are present in the fishes. They are present in fishes. And the second types of the scales which are there, they are present in the fishes. So like this, for example, this is the fish, okay? Suppose this is the fish here. Now what happened? Like this we are drawing, right? They are what? They are the scales only on the body of the fishes. Now, two types are there. The first thing is basically in the fishes, when we talk about in the fishes, the scales which are present, they are thin, they are flat, and they have the overlapping kind of the plates will be there. Like this, overlapping kind of the plates will be there in the fishes. So they are thin, they are flat, they are the overlapping plates. And they are usually covered with the mucus. Now, I don't know, like if you are a non-vegetarian person, if you eat the fish and all, you might have seen the outer covering of, when you touch the fish, that will be kind of sticky. Have you touched the fish, children?
Ma'am, once I did while
Yes.
eating the fish.
So
It
it
was
was
very.
it was like sticky or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So that, that is a
Okay.
feature of the scale, when you touch it, it will be kind of slimy. Now, because
Yes.
of this, what happened? The movement in the water will become easy for them. And children, your video should be on for everybody. It is not like if I'm writing, it should not be on. Turn on the video. So they are thin in them. They are flat. They are the overlapping structure, and they are covered by the structure called as a mucus. And mucus is the sticky kind of the substance which is present around the entire fish. And also the scales which are present in them, they are flexible and they are light in weight. Whereas the second one, if I talk about the reptiles, in the reptiles, like crocodile, they are very hard. You might have visited the zoo. In the zoo, you might have seen the crocodile. So, do you see them very, very thin, or it is like hard kind of the structure present outside?
Yes.
They
Hard.
are the hard, correct? So, they are dry, they are hard, and they are tough in nature. And the main quality of them is that they are made up of, the scales are made up of keratin, which the human nails and the hair are also made up of. So in our nails and also in our hairs, the keratin is present. So reptiles also, they have such kind of the keratin present in them. And for the reptiles, the scales which are present, they are not slimy. They do not require that slimy kind of or sticky kind of the structure outside, because they can actually move without that. If they have the sticky kind of surface outside, then they will not be able to move in on the land, right? So if they have the slimy structure, they will not be able to move on the land. That is why their outer scales, they are the dry, they are the hard, and they are tough in nature. Clear? Drisha, am I clear? Drisha, Adya,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Lakshya, Duti,
Yes, ma'am.
the
Ma'am,
hand
I'm
has not.
writing.
Nitya, clear?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm writing.
Okay, write it, children. So, Drisha, you can also start writing this, and then we will be going to the next one.
Yes, ma'am.
And write fast, children.
Done, ma'am.
Everybody has done?
No.
So
No,
scales, they are the hard overlapping structure. They do not let the water enter into the body. So that is why they will be protecting them. Then two in the two animals, different kind of the scales are there. The first one in the fishes, they will be the thin. In the reptiles, they will be thick. In the fishes, they will be the wet, slimy, whereas in the reptile, they will be dry, not slimy.
ma'am, fishes in flat overlapping, and what is next?
Plates, Plates. So when we draw like this, in the fishes, we are drawing like this. This is one plate, second plate, like this, they are overlapping each other. Okay. They are present one above the other.
Ma'am, what are the examples?
Examples we will be writing. First, we will be writing about the difference also in the tabular form. Done, Drisha?
Ma'am, I'm done with scales and fishes. Now I'm writing reptiles.
Okay, okay, Drisha, write it. Adya, you are done? Nitya?
Done, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay, good. Should I go to the next page now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
No,
thank
ma'am,
you.
I'm writing the reptiles.
Write fast, Beauty. Increase your speed, children. It is very, very much needed because so many things we have to learn, right? If you increase your speed, then only we will be able to learn many things in a day. Done, Dyuti?
Ma'am, I'm writing the last line.
Okay. Now, the next one are the difference between these scales. So, fish scales and reptile scales. The first point of them is, as I told you, they are thin and flexible. Here they are thick and hard. Then here they are covered with the mucus, which is like sticky substance, like slimy substance. Here they have the dry surface. Then here they help, the scales in them will help in swimming. The scales here will help in preventing the water loss. Then the fish scales, they are found in the aquatic animals, whereas the reptile scales, they are found in land reptiles. Then in them, usually the scales will overlap smoothly, whereas they will not be able to overlap because they are tough and rough. Okay, examples also I think we can write here. Examples. Rohu, goldfish. They are basically any kind of the fishes, basically we can write them here. Whereas in the reptiles, the examples are the snakes, lizards, crocodile, etc. To complete this, and then we will be going to the next one. Nitya, which point you are writing?
Ma'am, I'm writing in reptiles, third one.
Okay. Adya, which point you are writing? Adya, which point you are writing?
Ma'am, I'm writing the fish scale last one.
Okay, okay. Lakshya, which point?
I'm writing the examples.
Okay, good. Dyuti, which point?
Ma'am, I just started reptiles.
Okay. Drisha, which point?
Ma'am, I'm writing fish scales, fourth one.
Okay, okay. Complete it fast, children, and then we will be discussing about the shell.
Ma'am, I'm done.
Very good, Lakshya.
What is fish scales? First example.
Rohu. Rohu is a type of a fish.
Ma'am, in the examples of fish scales,
Yeah.
The last one, it's carp, right?
Correct.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. Everybody has done?
No, ma'am, I'm still writing the reptile scales. Writing.
Okay, okay, okay. Okay, write fast. Done, children?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Is it done? Okay.
Ma'am, I'm writing the examples of reptile scales.
Okay, okay. Done, Drisha? Diti?
Done, ma'am. Down. Done, ma'am.
Okay. Now, the next one, I'll show you first of all the shell, how they will be looking like. Here. So you might have seen, right? Tortoise. Tortoise will have this kind of the covering outside. This part is called as the shell. And like in the snails also, you might have seen outside they have a like, this kind of structure that is also called as the shells. So turtles, snails, they have the hard shells that will be serving the multiple purposes. Like they will be giving the protection against the predators. They will prevent the buoyancy. Buoyancy is very, very important term. It means when they have to go into the water, that will help them to float there on the surface of it, and it provides a stable platform for the movement. So because of this shell only, what happened, they can move their head inside also, they can bring their head outside also. So they can escape from the harsh kind of the climatic condition also. So whenever they feel like it is hot, they will be taking their head inside. Have you seen those turtles and all doing it, that they will be taking their head inside and then again they'll be bringing it outside? So that is the main quality of that shell they will be getting it.
Yes, ma'am.
Am I clear, Dhriti,
Yes.
Lakshya, Nitya, Drisha,
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Adya?
Yes, ma'am.
Now the next one. Okay. So next one we'll write about the shell. Shell. Shell basically it is the hard outer covering found in some of the animals. In all the animals, it will not be there, but in some animals, it will be present. And it acts like a protective shield around the body. That is what they will be doing it. Now, what is the special features of this shell? I'll just write it. Just a minute. Just complete it. Just a minute. I'm going back. I'm going back. Then the features of the scale, what kind of the features they have it. So just
Ma'am, I'm done.
okay, okay. I'll write the next one. So features of the scale are basically hard. So hard, and they have the strong covering, and they are mostly made of calcium. So the outside structure, which is present, which we are calling them as a shell, they are basically made up of the calcium. That is why they are hard in nature. And what do? They will be protecting the soft body parts of the animals. And some shells will be the light in weight, are light, while some will be the heavy. Then functions of shell, they protects the animals from enemies. From enemies. And also they prevent injury to soft body parts.
Ma'am, even turtles and tortoise have shells, right?
Yes, they have. So example,
Ma'am, do they have hard shells and that is the reason they go really slow?
yes, because of the body weight increases because of the shell actually. That's why they will be going slow.
Okay, ma'am.
So example I'm writing here, turtles, snails, tortoise, Then crab, oyster. These are the certain example of the uh, shell covering of the animals. Is it done, children? Risha, Nitya,
No,
Adya.
ma'am, I'm writing the last function.
Okay.
Ma'am, I'm writing the last function.
Oh,
And the features of shells.
okay.
Ma'am, I'm done.
Okay, okay. So after this, still we are remaining with two more, which are the feathers and the spines. Okay. So feathers which are present in the birds and the spines will be there, in some of the animals. That will be like hedgehog is there, porcupine are there, anteaters are there. So in them, the spines will be there that will be helping them from the enemies. So these two feathers and spines we will be discussing tomorrow and then completing this body scale part. And after this, we will be moving to the next part, which is about the eating habit of animals. Like herbivore will have what kind of the teeth, carnivores will have what kind of the teeth, and then omnivores will have what kind of the teeth. So those eating habits of them we will be discussing in tomorrow's and day after tomorrow's class.
Ma'am, I'm done.
So if you are done, children, you can start sending the notes.
Ma'am, can I send it later?
Okay, okay, Lakshya.
Ma'am, what is the last example?
Oyster, Oyster, oyster.
Ma'am, ma'am, can I start sending the
Yes,
notes?
yes. Those who are done, start sending now. If you are done, start sending them now. Okay, I have received from Nitya. Okay, Nitya.
Ma'am, what is an oyster?
Sorry?
Ma'am, what is an oyster?
Oyster picture, I'll show you. Wait, I'll show you the oyster. How does it look like? I think you might have seen in the movies or maybe in the cartoon,
Yes,
something like this. You might have seen from where we will be getting the pearl.
ma'am, like some,
Wait, I'll show you.
ma'am, I saw in the
Just
video
a
some lady
minute, I'll
gets
show
the
you.
shell
Like
and then
this. They are the huh? So oysters are actually like very very useful, and they will be we will be getting this white color kind of the gems and all. So you can see these are the oyster, and when we open them, inside them there will be the pearl. Can you see this pearl?
yes, ma'am.
So inside their own body, they will be creating this kind of the pearl, and this pearl, the jewelers will be selling them in the market, and they charge a lot actually. It'd be like many thousand rupees and all. See, like this. In one shell itself, many are there. See, can you see how they are making it? Like this, their inside body will be there, outside shell will be there, made up of the calcium, and inside they will be creating this shell, and this shell then will be sold in the market. Clear? See, the colorful shells are also there. Okay. So I have received from Adya, I have received from Nitya, others also.
Ma'am, can you show the notes and not the?
Okay, just is it visible, mind the notes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, can we leave? You're done?
Sorry, Adya, tell me.
Can we leave?
Yes, Adya. You have done, so you have submitted. You may leave. Those who are not done, completely do it, and then you may also leave.
Ma'am, can I leave? Because I
Yes,
said some.
Nitya. Yes, Nitya. Done, Drisha?
Ma'am, I'll send later.
Okay, Lakshya, you may also leave.
Yes. Bye, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm
Bye
almost
bye.
done.
Okay, Drisha, start sending them now.
Ma'am, I'm done. I asked my mom for the phone.
Okay, yes. Duty done?
Yes, ma'am, I'm sending the notes.
Okay. Send it in the group, okay? Duty, you need to send in the group, okay? What your mother has created one group. There you have to send it. Yes, Disha, I have received it. Thank you. I think one more page is remaining, right? Thank you so much. Yeah, thank you so much, Disha. Nice
Ma'am,
work.
ma'am, should I leave?
Yes, Disha. Thank you.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye bye. Duty I have received. So you may also leave. Thank you.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye bye.